y'all? Meline Rose here at the 10th anniversary of Haitian Businesses, and I have the beautiful, the one and only Fatima. She just killed it today at the Haitian Businesses brunch. How are you feeling today?
Hello, Meline. I'm feeling amazing. I'm feeling great. Whenever I'm around powerful women, that's how I felt. So this is an amazing event. I'm glad that they picked me for that event. I feel honored, and I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to see your beautiful face as well.
Likewise. Listen, this was my first time ever seeing you perform, and I am impressed. You did amazing. First of all, I didn't realize that you had so much range in your artistry. You were speaking Spanish or singing in Spanish. And listen, your vocals, beautiful, beautiful. I can definitely tell that you take your artistry seriously. Being here at the 10th anniversary of Haitian Businesses, what does that mean to you as an entrepreneur yourself, as an artist? What does it mean to be a Haitian woman-owned business and entrepreneur?
First of all, happy anniversary, Haitian Business. This means a lot to me because this is really the path that we all want. We all want to celebrate 10 years anniversary in whichever, the work that we're doing. And I feel empowered. I feel inspired. Sandra, you're doing amazing. And thank you for putting on so many amazing women that I didn't even know about as well. So today I discovered a lot of other businesses. This means that the community is thriving regardless, everything that's going on in Haiti and everything that we got going on as Haitian, but we still show up and work. So this means a lot to me as a woman, and as a woman that has a business. I have my air oil business. It's called Racine Air Oil. We are under construction right now because we're changing the name. We're building the website again. But this just gave me the boost that I needed for the year to just get my food in there, work, because I need to be celebrating 10 years at some point in my life too, So this is inspiring to me. I feel empowered. I'm going home with a lot of ideas after that event, yes.
Well, I love that. Sandra, congratulations on your 10th year anniversary. Fatima, listen, you are amazing. I would definitely love to see you perform more. I will. I absolutely will. Anytime I see you on the flyers, I'm booking my tickets, okay? Because you are amazing. You are an amazing artist. Thank you for celebrating with us, and thank you all for tuning in to the 10th anniversary of Haitian Businesses.